Hey guys, my name's Doug with OBDGenie.com. Today we're on the 2014 F-150. You'll notice here on this screen the MyFord Touch Sync 2 screen. It has the 4 quadrants. The one on the top right says information. And what you'll notice is a lot of vehicles, the Ford and Lincoln vehicles, actually have navigation. A lot of you would love to have navigation, but the solutions are far and few between. So here at OBDGenie.com, we have figured out a way to make navigation appear in here the factory style way. So what you're going to need to do is order the kit from OBDGenie.com. It'll come in 4 different parts. You'll have a USB 1 stick, a USB 2 stick, an OBD programming device, and then last but not least, your map card. Okay, the first thing we're going to want to do is we want to insert the USB stick number 1 into your USB port. Now, in different vehicles, in the F-150, it's in your armrest, and a lot of the other vehicles, it's within your center console. But find the USB input and plug in USB stick number 1. In this particular case, we're in an F-150, so we'll open the armrest and insert USB number 1. You'll notice it'll start updating.
Please keep your vehicle running, not accessory mode, throughout the entire installation.
You're going to want to keep your vehicle on throughout the installation period. USB stick number 1 takes between 20 and 25 minutes. You're not going to unplug it until the very end where it allows you or tells you to remove the USB. You'll notice the screen will go black a few times. What we're doing now is we're installing the latest sync software. So that's not only going to enhance the features of your actual infotainment system, but it will also help with Bluetooth pairing, fix miscellaneous bugs, stuff like that. So let this update, USB stick number 1, run through its course, and at the very end, when I tell you to, go ahead and remove it.
Congratulations, you have successfully updated your sync software to Gen 2 version 3.8. Please do not remove your USB device until after you press OK on the final installation complete message. After this message, then take your USB device and return to your sync owner account at www.
So now you'll notice installation is complete. You now have the latest sync update on your infotainment system, which is great. Once you hit OK from the installation complete prompt here, you can now remove USB stick number 1. Now it's time to load the USB stick number 2. Now after USB stick number 2, you'll notice that it comes back to the home screen. You can go ahead and remove stick number 2. And the last programming step we're going to want to do is plug in the OBD Genie programmer, and that's going to go into the OBD port underneath the steering column. You'll notice the cluster will reset itself, and you'll also notice a green light on the OBD Genie programmer. Once you see the green light, you can remove it. You'll now notice in the upper right hand quadrant the Insert Nav SD card. So now all it's waiting for is the SD card. So we'll remove it out of the package. And we'll insert the SD card into the SD card slot. As soon as we insert the SD card, you'll notice navigation will appear. And now we have full feature navigation. The map immediately appears. It pinpointed our location immediately. You can go into destinations and enter in street address, points of interest, set your home address. It works just like the navigation system that comes factory installed in these trucks and SUVs and the sedans and all the other vehicles. So check out obdgenie.com for this exciting new product. We also carry backup camera programmers, remote start, so on and so forth. So be sure to check that out. Thanks for watching, guys.